How you doing? This is a video about my experience of the Parrot Bebop 2 drone. I bought it there about 3 months ago and I've been using it since. I've been trying it in the wind and the fairly extreme weather here in Ireland at the moment. It's winter just after Christmas. So I've had it out on many occasions and you can see how it worked out for me. The app I'm using to fly the Parrot Bebop 2 drone is the Free Flight Pro. When you download this app, there is a purchase feature inside. When you want to follow, to have the drone follow, you have to pay €19 here in Ireland for that additional part of the app, and the flight plan is also $19.99 as well. The flight plan in Ireland isn't really necessary because under Irish law you're supposed to have the drone within your sight when you're operating it. So a flight plan would be to send it out on a map without you controlling the drone. So it's not really applicable here in Ireland. Before you operate your drone, and you've taken it out of the package, you've charged the battery, and you've brought it to where you're about to fly it. Before you fly it, look up above your head. If there's any power lines anywhere near your drone, just don't fly it. Don't fly it anywhere near pylons, power lines, or mobile telephone masts. Also, your drone, you should always check it that the GPS is on, because if it does go out of your flight range, you want it to come back alone. So always check. Okay, we're here on the Comra Mountains in southern Ireland, and we're about to test Parrot Bebop 2 to see how she copes with the wind up here. It's actually winter, so it's actually windy. You mightn't be able to pick it up on the footage, but it is pretty windy. When the Parrot is used in situations like this, the digital stabilizer has to work overtime, so you're going to see some kind of wobbling in the video footage. The Parrot is a decent drone for its for the cost of it. It's about €370 here in Ireland without the sky controller. Here you can see she's struggling. She's been pushed by the wind, and as she rises there's a lot of pressure on two of the propellers and she's not very even. You can see the picture is not level, but there's a good picture nevertheless. There's a lot of pressure, there's a lot of wind up here now. There's no audio on this Bebop, so you're not going to get an idea of what kind of wind it is. The following video is a video I took in poor light, just to show you how badly the video and the picture footage is. And then I'll show you some other video and pictures that I've taken in moderate light.